Hi, at the beginning of the season, of the fall season, it's very hard to select like the pansies or the violas because you don't know which ones are looking the best. So this is a tiny trick that will help you choose the ones are looking the best. As you can see over here, these ones are looking like very long in comparison to this one that look like shorter. These ones are pansies. So pansies have to look like short at the time of planting, not that long. Or like here, you can see that they are very, very long. Or maybe like this. So do not buy plants that look like this. Buy plants that look more like this. Let me show you the difference here. This is a yes. This is a no. Good luck.